Hi everyone, I am Meenal Vijay Painse and let's see what the third week of December 2020, that is the 15th to the 21st of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Scorpio. For the Scorpios, this week is going to be a week where you might feel very suffocated and claustrophobic in general. This is because mentally what you speak, what you think of is either going to be misunderstood or disagreed upon by people whom you have a conversation with. So sometimes it leaves you with a feeling of how come is it that nobody is understanding me? And that's the reason you might feel alone or claustrophobic or a little bit kind of restricted in your own head. Moving on to the space of work. At your workspace, it is actually recommended that you let things happen on their own rather than trying to jump into it and make things happen. Because no matter how much hard you push or try to make things happen, they are simply not going to happen. If in case you're working, if you're employed, and if in case in a group meetings you are asked for your opinion, do give your opinion to the minimum as possible, but do not expect people to understand your point of view. This is going to be a week where you will learn more from not doing anything rather than going ahead and doing something and causing grief or grievance to yourself. Moving on to the space of finances, this is going to be a week where you will start making some private personal investments for yourself and not want to tell anybody about it. So you might first go and research about some kind of investments that you would like to make, and it is better that if you go in for some kind of a long-term investments, but there is a high chance that you would not be telling about these financial plannings for this particular third week with anybody. In a way, it is good that you keep some kind of personal financial plannings to yourself. Moving on to the space of relationships. So for the third week of December 2020, you will find that you might be amongst a group of people, or let's say your family members and relatives, or a gathering, and yet you might feel very lonely. You might feel very alone. You might be there, but you would only be there physically. Mentally, you would actually want to go and sit somewhere else. Basically, for the third week of December 2020, in general, you might feel very disassociated, and this disassociation will also be with your family members. However, see to it that you are as polite and well-mannered as possible. Just because you feel disassociated, see to it that others don't miss your vivaciousness. Others don't feel that you're not there, because there are chances that this might kind of hamper the mood of the environment that you are in. So try to be a little bit polite and a little bit cordial as much as possible. Don't really segregate yourself from people. Moving on to the space of health. This week warns the Scorpions against actually any kind of a behavior that leads to gluttony, because there is a possibility that you might literally overeat and drink for this particular week. You might not only gain excessive kilos, but you might actually not even pay attention to it, and you might indulge in some more eating and drinking and probably cause yourself to become more lazy and sluggish. In order to avoid that, especially restrict eating sweets and alcohol. This could be actually very detrimental to your health. There are chances that you might actually increase your sugar levels, which is not healthy. So see to it that you don't give in to any overeating kind of binges, particularly for the third week of December 2020. Your experiences and your responses about how you felt the third week of December 2020 worked out for you is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box, or you could personally DM me and I will be very happy to read your messages. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.